Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Masterton. I'm Vice President of Marketing with Poka. We know that getting timely information out to frontline factory workers during this crisis is very important for ensuring their safety and also for keeping production running. But with physical distancing, work from home policies, and quarantine measures in place, keeping communication flowing can be a real challenge for many manufacturers who are still largely relying on in-person, face-to-face conversations and meetings. So that's why we prepared this short video demonstration of how Poka can connect frontline factory workers to give them the ability to safely communicate and collaborate from a distance. So we're going to get started from the perspective of an operator.
Jeff Lamb starts his night shift by logging into Poka using a tablet at his workstation. The first thing Jeff sees is the factory feed. This live news stream contains important updates and the latest information Jeff needs for operating equipment on his production line. At the top of the factory feed, he sees a new video message from the company's CEO. Since the COVID-19 outbreak, their CEO has been sharing regular updates on the rapidly changing situation and the company's policies for keeping workers and production safe. Jeff appreciates that he can post questions and comments and have a dialogue with the CEO and his coworkers. He scrolls down the factory feed to check for other updates and sees a shift changeover post from Sam Brown, his production supervisor. The post contains information from the day shift that he needs to begin his shift. This includes how to prevent an accident that occurred the day before and the production status from the day shift. Jeff also sees that his production supervisor has posted a photo of the daily report so that he and his coworkers don't have to go to the whiteboard in person to get the information. Continuing down the factory feed, he sees a near miss posted by Emma Foster. She spotted a water leak over a junction box. Because this is a shock hazard, she's asked supervisors to take quick action and then added a couple of photos to illustrate the severity of the problem. Below the photos, the status area shows that 5 people have posted comments in the discussion thread and 2 people have been assigned an action item. Sam Brown has been asked to develop an action plan, while Ben Jones was told that he is responsible for completing a report. Moving on, Jeff notices that Lily Roy, Health and Safety Manager, has posted a video on how to properly wash your hands using guidelines from the World Health Organization. The video is one of many that the Health and Safety Department has shared showing how to follow their company's COVID-19 guidelines. Jeff also notices a post from his production supervisor thanking his coworker Lisa Allen for her commitment to quality. Lisa had found a faulty bottle on her line before it passed. She then took a video showing how to spot the issue using her workstation's tablet and posted it to the factory feed for everyone to be aware of. Because all posts are tagged by production line, workstation, equipment, or product, Jeff can easily access all news posts in one centralized area by tapping on the tag or by scanning a QR code at his workstation using a tablet.
So as you just saw, by digitally connecting frontline factory workers, Poka reduces and even eliminates the need for in-person, face-to-face interaction during shift changeovers, tiered meetings, and daily huddles. Information can easily be exchanged with photos, video, and text through Poka's factory feed for all workers to access and see across production lines, shifts, and factories even, including those workers and team members that might be working from home. And this in turn is going to keep workers safe, it's going to minimize production disruptions, and it's going to empower everyone to communicate and collaborate more efficiently than they ever have before. So if you're interested in learning more, please come visit us at www.poka.io and be well and stay safe.